Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're on a mission to uncover the best vlogging cameras of 2025. Whether you're an aspiring content creator, a seasoned vlogger, or just looking to capture life's epic moments in stunning detail, this lineup has something extraordinary for you. Let's jump right in and break down what makes each of these cameras a game changer. Kicking things off is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This compact powerhouse features a 1-inch CMOS sensor that delivers jaw-dropping clarity in 4K at up to 120 frames per second. With its 3-axis stabilization system, say goodbye to shaky footage, even when you're on the move. The innovative face and object tracking ensure you never lose focus, making it perfect for dynamic vlogging. Plus, with fast autofocusing and an integrated microphone for crisp audio, this camera is your all-in-one digital photography and videography solution. We have the Sony ZV-1 II vlog camera, a favorite among content creators. Designed with a sleek, compact body, it's built specifically for vloggers on the go. Its intuitive user interface, rapid autofocus, and vibrant color reproduction bring your stories to life. Whether you're filming product reviews or travel adventures, the ZV-1 II offers impressive background defocus effects and a built-in directional microphone that cuts out unwanted noise. This little beast packs a serious punch for any vlogging scenario. For those seeking versatility, the Canon EOS R50 V is a revolutionary hybrid solution. This APS-C mirrorless camera comes paired with the RFS 14-30mm f4 to 6.3 STM PTZ lens, a dynamic duo perfect for vertical video, live streaming, and content creation. Its ultra-wide angle zoom lens allows you to capture expansive scenes, making it ideal for immersive storytelling. Whether you're vlogging indoors or out in the bustling streets, the EOS R50 V offers exceptional image quality and reliable performance every time you hit record. Taking it up a notch in the professional arena, the Nikon Z6 III stands as a full-frame mirrorless marvel. With the capacity to record 6K 60p internal RAW video, every nuance in color and detail is captured with stunning precision. This camera isn't just for vlogging. It's built for those who demand cinematic quality with robust low-light performance and dynamic range. If you're ready to elevate your videography to professional heights, the Nikon Z6 III delivers an uncompromising blend of power and versatility. And for the adventurers, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is here to redefine action vlogging. Engineered to be waterproof and rugged, this action camera captures 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, alongside 27 megapixel stunning photos. Its compact design, enhanced stabilization, and compatibility with HB series lenses make it your ideal companion when you're out conquering the great outdoors. Whether you're surfing, hiking, or diving into new extremes, the Hero 13 Black ensures every adrenaline-fueled moment is recorded in superb detail. There you have it, the ultimate vlogging cameras of 2025. From the pocket-friendly versatility of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the compact excellence of the Sony ZV-1 II, to Canon's innovative EOS R50 V, the cinematic power of Nikon's Z6 III, and the action-ready GoPro Hero 13 Black, there's a perfect match for every vlogging style. Which camera do you think will transform your content? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to capturing your next epic story in 2025.